Good day, sir. Today we will explore the programming paradigms. So let's start. So introduction of programming paradigm. So what is programming paradigm? Paradigm can also be termed as method to solve some problem or do some task. So programming paradigm is an approach to solve problem using some programming language, or also we can say it is a method to solve a problem using tools and techniques that are available to us following some approach. So here is the structure of programming paradigm. So first is imperative programming paradigm, the procedural programming paradigms, object-oriented programming, parallel processing approach. In the declarative programming paradigm, there are logic programming paradigm, functional programming, database processing approach. So imperative programming paradigm. It is one of the oldest programming paradigm. It features close relation to machine architecture. It performs step-by-step tasks by changing state. The main focus is on how to achieve the goal. So the paradigm consists of several statements and after execution of the result stored. So advantages and disadvantages of programming paradigm. So advantages, very simple to implement. It contains loops, variables, and etc. So from the disadvantages, complex problem cannot be solved, less efficient and less productive, parallel programming not possible. So procedural programming paradigm. This paradigm emphasizes the procedure in terms of underlying machine model. There is no difference in between procedural and imperative approach. It has the ability to reuse the code, and it was born at that time when it was in use because of its reusability. So the next is parallel processing approach. So parallel processing is the processing of program instruction by dividing them among multiple processors. A parallel processing system possesses many numbers of processors with the objectives of running a program in less time by dividing them. So that's all. And
So good day, sir. My name is Jasper Ayan Mabatingan, and this is my point. So the next. Why is this so slow? Object-oriented programming. The program is is written as a collection of classes and objects which it meant the communication. The smallest and the basic entity of object and all kind of computation is performed on the objects only. It can handle most all kinds of real-life problems which are today's in scenario. Next, declarative programming paradigm. It is a divided as logic, functional database in computer science. The declarative paradigm is a style of building program that express logic of computation without talking about its control flow. The focus on what needs to be done, rather how it should be done, basically emphasize on what code is actually doing. This is the only difference between importance and declarative programming paradigms. Gagmay mo kayong paano yung mabasa? Hanap. Ay. Logic programming paradigm. It can be termed, termed as an abstract model of computational. It would solve logical problems like puzzles, series, etc. in logic programming, we have a knowledge base which we know before and long with a question and knowledge base which is given to machine. It produce results.
Reklamo.
Claro. So functional programming paradigms. So functional programming paradigms, it has roots and mathematic and it's language independent. The key principle of this paradigm is the execution of series of mathematical function. The central model of the abstract is function which are meant for some specific computation and not the data structure. Database and data drive programming approach. This programming method is based on data and its movement. Program program statements are defined by data rather than hard coding a series of steps. A database program is the heart of a business information system and provides file creation, data entry, update, query, and reporting functions. There are several programming languages that are developed mostly for database application. And thank you. And the partner of our reporter is Fernando Caballes and Jasper Ando Batingan. Thank you, sir.
That's all. Thank you.